How much of your time do you waste every day on things that don't matter? Here's the harsh truth. Most people spend their lives running on a treadmill, thinking they're going somewhere. But the wealthy? They know how to step off the treadmill and build the entire gym. Think about it. What if your life could be 10x more productive, more impactful, and richer, not just in money, but in meaning? Today's 10 secrets that aren't your run-of-the-mill tips, but mindset shifts. They're actionable, proven, and will transform the way you approach your goals. Stay focused till the end to maximize your efficiency. Subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's quickly get started. Number 1. Prioritize like a CEO. CEOs don't have the luxury of doing everything themselves. They focus on what drives the most value. Their secret? Ruthless prioritization. They divide tasks into 4 categories: what to do, delegate, delay, or delete. This framework, inspired by Stephen Covey's Eisenhower Matrix, ensures their energy is spent on high-impact decisions while delegating or eliminating low-priority tasks. To apply this in your life, ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? This question, championed in The One Thing by Gary Keller, helps you focus on high-leverage activities. CEOs don't spend their time on every little task. They focus on the 20% that drives 80% of the results. This is called the Pareto principle. By focusing on what truly matters, you'll create space for exponential growth, just like a CEO running a billion-dollar company. Number 2. Create systems, not goals. While goals give you direction, systems keep you moving consistently. Scott Adams, the creator of Dilbert, explains this in his book, How to Fail at Almost Everything and Still Win Big. Losers have goals, winners have systems. Goals are outcomes you want to achieve, but systems are the daily routines and strategies that make progress inevitable. For example, instead of setting a goal to lose 20 pounds, create a system of exercising 30 minutes daily and eating a balanced diet. A goal might be a one-time win, but a system builds a sustainable habit. For instance, if your goal is to save $10,000, a system of automatically transferring 20% of your income to a savings account each month ensures long-term financial discipline. By designing systems that align with your vision, you not only reach your goals but also transform the way you live, making success repeatable and scalable. Number 3. Reverse engineer your goals. Reverse engineering your goals means working backward from your desired outcome to map out the exact steps needed to achieve it. This method forces clarity. Instead of vague aspirations like become wealthy or get fit, you define a specific endpoint. For example, saving $100,000 translates to $20,000 per year, about $1,667 per month, and around $55 daily. With this level of granularity, you can identify precise actions, such as cutting unnecessary expenses, increasing your income, or investing wisely. By breaking down big dreams into small, consistent actions, you not only make your goals feel less intimidating, but also ensure that every effort directly contributes to the bigger picture. Number 4. The 2-minute rule for mastering momentum. Author David Allen, in Getting Things Done, talks about the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Why? It keeps your brain in momentum mode. Think of every time you left dishes in the sink because you'll do them later. A 5-minute task becomes a guilt-inducing mountain by the evening. Whether it's answering emails, clearing clutter, or planning tomorrow's priorities, handle small tasks instantly. Whether it's answering emails, clearing clutter, or planning tomorrow's priorities, handle small tasks instantly. Number 5. Learn to be ruthless about input control. Most people are drowning in irrelevant information. Studies show the average person consumes over 34 GB of data daily, but how much of that moves you forward? The rich are hyper-selective about what they consume. Start by decluttering your inputs. Unfollow 10 social media accounts that add no value. Limit yourself to 1 news check per day. Your mind is not a dumping ground. Filter ruthlessly, focus fiercely. Number 6. The power of micro risks. Playing it safe never made anyone rich. But here's the twist. The wealthy don't take blind leaps. They take calculated micro risks. If you want to invest but fear losing money, start small, say $50 a month in an index fund. It's enough to learn without risking much. Make one small, uncomfortable decision today. Send that email, pitch that idea, invest that small amount. Success is built on micro risks. The first step is never huge, it's just brave. Number 7. Use energy stacking for peak performance. Most people work like robots, ignoring their natural energy rhythms. But your brain is most productive during ultradian cycles, 90-minute bursts. Tony Robbins talks about stacking energy by starting his day with intense movement, breathing exercises, and visualization. Identify your most energetic time of day. Use that window for high-focus tasks, not emails or meetings. Combine physical movement, hydration, and deep focus for unstoppable momentum. Efficiency isn't about working longer. It's about working smarter when your energy peaks. Number 8. Stop measuring hours. Start measuring outcomes. The rich don't get paid by the hour. They get paid by their results. A freelancer earning $100/hour may feel rich, but the entrepreneur who builds a product that earns $10,000 daily wins. Henry Ford revolutionized car manufacturing by focusing on output per hour instead of labor hours. This efficiency slashed car prices and made him millions. Ask yourself, what am I really producing today? Replace busy work with outcome-focused tasks. Your bank account doesn't care how hard you work. It cares about how much value you create. Number 9. Schedule deep work time. In a world filled with distractions, the ability to concentrate deeply on cognitively demanding tasks is a superpower. Scheduling deep work time isn't just about setting aside hours. It's about creating an environment and mindset that blocks interruptions. For example, reserving a 2-hour block daily where you turn off notifications, isolate yourself, and focus exclusively on critical tasks can make you exponentially more productive. Most people spend their days in shallow work, low-value, reactive tasks like answering emails or attending unnecessary meetings. Deep work, on the other hand, lets you tackle high-leverage activities like strategic planning, writing, or problem-solving. Over time, scheduling deep work as a non-negotiable priority transforms your ability to produce meaningful results, giving you a competitive edge in any field. Number 10. Obsess over continuous learning. Your most valuable asset is your mind. The fastest way to stay ahead in any field is to embrace a mindset of constant learning. In a rapidly changing world, what you know today may become irrelevant tomorrow. It's not just about gaining new knowledge. It's about sharpening your thinking, expanding your creativity, and staying adaptable. Whether it's through books, online courses, podcasts, or mentorship, investing in your mind has compounding returns. But learning isn't just passive consumption, it's about application. Every new skill or insight should solve a real problem or open new opportunities. Learning to code, market, or negotiate can unlock career growth or entrepreneurial success. Ask yourself, am I learning something every day that challenges me to grow? Efficiency isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. You don't need to add more to your life. You need to subtract the noise and focus on the essentials. Efficiency is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Don't just think about these secrets. Apply one right now. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe the channel for more valuable content. Do share it with your loved ones so they can be benefited from it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.